Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we have another unboxing and it should be a gimbal. It should be the Zhiyun Crane M2 in that box. I bought it on Amazon and it cost me just under £260. It was sold by a company called Moment and I'll stick a link in the description. So with that we'll do the unboxing and then we'll talk about it. So shall I get on with it? The thing I liked about this is you can attach several different devices to it. For instance, you don't have to just attach your phone. It will take an action camera, one of these little babies here. Obviously it will take your phone and it does give a list of phones as well. But it also will take a compact camera as well. To add loads of different connections, you can play about with it, which I thought was pretty good. So it comes in a Amazon box, because I bought it through Amazon. And let's have a look. So nicely packaged by Amazon. Well done Amazon for that. So nothing major. Mine a cat. Yeah, I know I ain't got a cat. So yeah, the Zhiyun Crane M2. I like the packaging. It shows you what you're getting. You're not getting the camera. So it's got proper camera on there. So it's a compact camera. So we might have to buy one of them one day, just to try it out with that. So it's a Crane M2. Looks nice, the white box with print all over it. It's got open this end. Well, that's interesting. Shows you which way up to open it, which is different. Never seen that before on packaging. So well done, Zhiyun. Sold as a set. So I'm not sure what the set is, but there you go. Well, how can I show you? Oh well, I did buy something else to go with it, and another light. I needed more lighting, so I bought some more light. So I'm going to show you around the box. That just tells you all the information about it there. I think that looks really nice. It gives you a brief description, all the things it does, all in one, ultimate versatility, compact design, great portability, 6 modes, infinite possibilities, that's what it says. So looking forward to doing this. So I'm going to cut the shrink wrap off right now. And we can see what we're going to get for our pennies. Or lots of pennies actually. £260, like I said, it's not cheap, but hopefully it's very good. It's taking me time to cut the seals. As the best way to undo it. Gonna move the camera about. Right then, shall we get on with the unboxing? I'm looking forward to this. See what you get for your money. What's this? Oh right, so there's a little card thing. Crane, Zhiyun Crane M2. Wow, that's impressive, isn't it? So it comes in a nice case type thing. See that? Good protection there. I will carry on using that when I'm not using it, obviously. Comes with a little booklet of some sort. What's this say? Scan the QR code to watch tutorials. So that's pretty good. So it's got some tutorials on there. Hopefully that's for setting it up and things like that, which would be helpful. You've got a service card, zhiyuntech.com. Oh right, and you've got telephone support, email, social media and official website. That is pretty good as well. Quite like that. So, you know, around the world, based in Germany, Hong Kong, USA, the main bases by looking at that. What's this? Quick start guide. We're not going to read through this, but I'll quickly just show you. Yep, shows you how to connect everything. Hopefully I'll just watch a few videos and do it like that. That would be the easiest thing to do, wouldn't it? So yeah, but we're not going to go through that because we want to see what you're going to get in here. It's quite stiff. Well, it's nicely laid out, isn't it? I'm quite impressed with that. That looks really nice the way they've done that. So what you got? So you got your charging lead. So what's that? A USB, just a standard USB, and it looks like a lightning connection there. So that's obviously going to go into your gimbal. I reckon that's probably about 1 metre there. I'll stick the numbers up for you in case you want to know how long it is. But I think that's about 1 metre. Just looking at it like that. So what's this device here? Please understand that this is my first gimbal, so I don't know all the technical words for any of the products that I'm getting at. Smells quite nice actually. So that feels like metal. I'm pretty sure that's metal with some rubber padding. That's very good. So that's for holding one of your devices. I'm not sure what we got in here. Another thing. Got the old gels. So I moved the gels out of the way. And he dropped them on the floor. So I moved them out of the way. So that's a bracket for holding something on. We will find out. And it says Zhiyun on there. That is very nice. Again, it feels like really good quality. Oh right, so that would be for your phone, I would imagine. Hopefully it'll fit my phone, because I have quite a wide phone, so I'm hoping it'll fit. Let's have a quick. Yeah, gonna have to take the covers off anyway. I do believe you have to take the covers off. So yeah, looking forward to doing that. And it does say, I did check, it did say it done the Nexus 6. So that's probably just a strap with a Velcro holding it on. So that's your wristband strap, I would have thought. So that connects to the bottom of the gimbal. So in case you drop the gimbal, it'd be wrist strap. So that's a good idea. Quite like that. Not sure what this is. Oh, it's a screw. So yeah, so that's just a screw. I'll put that back for now. Don't want to lose it. This would be your tripod stand. So it's your handle, but it's also a tripod stand. See? Da, da, da. And that looks really nice as well. Very good quality. So that goes like that. And we're going to have to set that up anyway, so I'll leave that out for now. And the gimbal itself. It's got quite a weight to it actually. I was expecting it to be lighter than that, but it does feel like very good quality. Yeah, it looks really nice. Is that a speaker there? I know. Right, so you've got a little joystick there for controlling it. You've got your zoom in, zoom out. You've got your recording. I'm not sure what the M does yet. Not sure even what that does. Oh, that might be your on off. And then you've got your menu. Then you've got a trigger. And then you've got a locking set as well. So you can lock it, unlock it. That's pretty good. Alright. Yeah, so, and there's a little screw hole there. So I'm wondering if that goes in there. For attaching devices. Or even maybe attaching other devices. We will find out. So looking at it, first impressions, looks really nice. It feels like quality. I'll give them that. It really does feel like quality. So that goes like that. Have to do it over, don't have to over tight it. So yeah, looking forward to it, baby. Move that out of the way. You see that? And so what we're going to do now, I'm going to read the instructions and figure out how to set it all up. And I'll get back to you. Right, so I charged it up. I watched a few tutorials on how to balance it and set it all up, and I've done it all right. It's working fine, as you can see. Does that work nicely? Yes. So that's all running nicely. What I'm going to do a bit of recording on my camera, my phone camera that is. And bearing in mind my camera is quite an old one now. I think it's running at 720p resolution. So don't expect great quality, but I'm going to take it out in the garden, have a look run about in the garden, and bring it back in. So it's easy to do. Just press the record button, which is that little button there, and it started to record. So there you go. So I'll be back in a minute while I'm out in the garden. Fold these up, and off we go. So we're down in the garden, wondering perhaps my grandchild's little slide there that it doesn't use. So I don't know why we got it. Yeah, and that's a bit of a mess here. My neighbour's having a new fence put up at some stage pretty soon. They've got the fence in, they just need to fit up. I'm going to do a bit of running. And yes, I'm running. Upstairs, that's quite good. But down the stairs, we're walking again now. I haven't set it for running mode, by the way. I thought I'd let you know. I'm using the joystick to show you these little garden ornaments. which look quite nice, as you can see. And yeah, that's pretty good. I'm quite impressed. Well, actually, I'm very impressed. I love the quality of the build. I like the fact they've done some very good tutorials on YouTube, and I'll stick a link in there for you to watch. Yes, very nice. Need to get a better phone, more modern one, something like Pixel or OnePlus. So go back inside. Stop recording. Put it back. So that's it. So I just wanted to show you how good it is. I've only shown you the basics because I need to learn a lot more, how to do all the different modes and that, follow me modes and all that sort of thing. But my first impressions is, yeah, it's very good. And I was quite impressed. I'm impressed with the quality, the presentation, the fact that you can watch a few tutorials they've got on YouTube for you to watch that they've actually made themselves. Very impressed with that. You do need the tutorials if you've never done one before. And oh yeah, really like it. So is it worth £260? It's a lot, or just under. It's a lot of money, I do understand that. It's a lot of money, but you get what you pay for, and I'm very impressed. I like it. I think it's worth the money. So can I get my thumbs up? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.